Hey guys, in this video I'm going to basically remove this grommet that goes around the fuel tank filler tube here. It's all cracked. If you find you're getting a bunch of water in the rear quarter panel, it could be because your grommet needs replacing. So in order to replace this, you're going to have to remove this hose that goes to the fuel tank, and then you are going to have to remove the bolt right here, and you're going to have to remove the two bolts right here. So that's where we're at now, and then I'm going to work at pulling the hose off, and I'll show you what happens next. So I just pulled the filler tube out. You can see the old grommet right here. Here's the new one. Here's the part number. I'll put the part number in the description too for you guys. But basically, we'll slide the filler tube back in, put this on, and then connect the hose, connect the small hose, put the fasteners back on, and that's really it. The tank is fairly low, so you probably don't want to do this with a full tank. So here we are with the new grommet installed. You can see how much better the seal is all the way around the filler tube. So we shouldn't have any more leaking issues now. And just so you guys know, there is kind of a little drain hole here. If you do get water in the quarter panel, if this is plugged, the water won't be able to drain out. So stick a little wire up into this hole and move it around until it's free. And then if any water does get into this panel, it'll drain out right where my finger's pointing.